Is there a difference between a pre-qualification letter and a pre-approval letter? Another blessed day in South Florida. I'm Getchin Sherry, founder of Homes Natural Realty, and I thank you for your continued support. And please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. As you can see, I'm not in my car today. I received several comments from the viewers, and some of the comments, the viewers stated that the driving videos were a bit distracting. While filming the videos in the car is a lot more convenient for me, but I've decided to heed your suggestions. So I may shoot the longer videos at home. So I'm at home now. And the last video, I provided a summarized answer to this question. A question from a viewer, and the viewer asked a very simple question, but I summarized it because I was driving and I was getting to my destination. And here I decided to provide a more detailed information concerning that. Now, the question that I received is from an individual, and the person simply asked me, is there a difference between a pre-qualification letter and a pre-approval letter? Now, both a pre-qualification letter and a pre-approval letter are simply referring to a letter from a lender that specifies in how much money the lender is likely to loan to you for the purchase of your home. However, neither one is a guarantee from the lender that they will make the loan to you. Now, let's address them individually. A pre-qualification letter provides you an estimate of the loan amount. It's an estimate of the loan amount that the lender is likely to loan you based on the information you have stated. A pre-qualification letter relies only on your self-reported information. To receive a pre-approval letter, you simply have to provide the lender with an overall picture of your financial standing, your financial outlook. That would include all the debts, all your income, your assets, things of that sort. Therefore, you only required to provide an estimate of those things. And the lender, based on the information you provided, the lender will make a determination simply based on your information without verifying anything. They will give you an estimate of the loan amount they are likely to loan you based on that information. In most cases, you can obtain a pre-qualification letter over the phone, online, relatively quick, without any cost to you. However, to receive a pre-approval letter from a lender, the lender is required to do a lot more. So the process of getting a pre-approval letter from a lender involves a bit more. The process involves more than getting a pre-qualification letter. So for example, to receive a pre-approval letter from a lender, you must complete an official mortgage loan application. You must submit all the necessary documents to the lender to substantiate your financial information, the information that you provided on the application. Now, I have made several videos, and one in particular that tells you everything a lender will need. I will link that to the end of this video so you can take a look at it, but nonetheless, I'll address some of the things you will need. Now, Unlike a pre-qualification letter, the pre-approval requires the lender to verify certain documents. What documents? Such as to verify your identity. How would the lender do that? So for example, you would have to provide a copy of your driver's license and a copy of your social security card. Now, proof of income and employment. You will have to provide to the lender pay stubs from the last 30 days. You will have to provide W-2s for the last 2 years, personal tax, federal tax, income tax return for the last 2 years, including all tax table and schedules. And if you are self-employed, or if you have a business, if you have a business, self-employed, you will have to provide them with your business tax return for the last 2 years. Again, to include all tables and schedule. Now, if you are self-employed, of course, it would be a 1099 as well. If you are retired, you will have to provide they would have to verify your benefit verification letter. So you would have to provide that for the last 2 years of your Form 1099-R. So you would have to provide those along with your tax returns. Now, proof of assets. Of course, if the bank is making you a loan, they would like to know that you're making a deposit, a down payment on the loan. So because you're not going to get a full 100% financing. So you will also have to provide the bank with your last 2 months bank statements, all financial accounts, as a matter of fact, to include your checking, your savings, if you have any IRA, any 401k, all brokerages, anything you have, you would have to provide them those statements. The statements must have your name, the account number, and the name of the banking institution. Also, to get a pre-approval from a lender, the lender has to verify your credit standing. To do so, in other words, the lender has to verify if you are a good risk for the loan. So the lender will pull your credit reports. And usually the lender will charge you for the cost of pulling your credit reports. Now, if you are receiving financial assistance from someone in your family, or someone in your family, a family member who wants to pay will help you pay and buy or put down the down payment, well, that person must also submit a signed and dated gift letter. The lender will need that. Well, this is a longer version. I will label it long version so you get the idea. I hope you find this video helpful, and I hope I answer your question. And as always, I thank you for your continued support. I thank you for the question. And yes, please don't forget to subscribe. Please comment, like, and share the video. I thank you, and have a blessed and productive day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.